everybody, it's Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and look what came in the mail today. Let's open it up, shall we? Sorry for the rustling, but it's going to be noisy. Where's my scissors? There's my scissors. I got a Gus in here, and I got a little bit in her sling. So this is a yarn order that I put in the end of November. So I've been waiting a long time for this. It was before the strike. So the first thing I see and I pulled out is this perfectly paired duo sock yarn by Mary Maxim. Those are the colors. I do not knit. I will be crocheting these. I don't know how that's going to turn out. Don't ask me. I don't have a clue. And then these are all the same yarn, just different colors, because there was an awesome sale. Awesome sale. These were $3 and change. I think they were $3.48. They're usually $8. And it's nice acrylic, like it is soft. It is 8 ounces. You get 450 yards, over 450 yards, it says right there. And it's 8 ounces. It's 100% acrylic. And it's made in Serbia. But anyway, it's nice. So I bought 2 of these, and the color is light violet. That's light violet. Then I got 2 of these. And these are medium violet. So it's a really nice color, and this one has a nice sheen to it. You can see it in the, not so much a sheen, but yeah, it's nice yarn. It really is. You know, if you're looking for a nice worsted 4-weight yarn, that you get a good bang for your buck kind of thing, Mary Maxim, best value, or maximum value. This stuff is nice. It is. Way softer than Red Heart Super Soft. And then, you guessed it, 2 of the dark violet. Yes? Yes, dark violet. What do you smell? You're just checking them out? Little bits down here. So far that's 6 balls. I'm not done. And I got one of these, because I already have one. And this is the variegated teal. Teal variegated, it says. And it's, like I said, this is not as soft as the solids. But it's not bad either. It's still softer than Red Heart Super Saver. And you get more. You get an ounce more than Super Saver, because I think they come in 7-ounce balls. I could be wrong. I don't know. And then I got this color. And this color is denim variegated, because I have one of them already. So, and what else is in there? Let's stick that over there. So I paid $3.74 for each of those balls of maximum value yarn, and $7.50 for the perfectly paired duo, and the color is Mountain Hike. So yeah, they had free shipping and low minimum order over 40. So and then Honey, which is an app for some browsers that goes out and finds coupons on the internet for you and then tests them. And if they work, great. They work. I got 25% off already on sale items. So, yay me. So, yeah, there's my yarn order. That's what came in today. Or, well, it came yesterday, but I didn't get to the mailbox till today. And then, oh, that's cute. Look what the Bradford Exchange has. Isn't that cute? That is it's called Kitty Cat Cute Quilted Tote. It's $129.99 US. Let's face it. Well, maybe not. Plus $16.99 shipping and service. All orders will be charged GST, HST, or PST as appropriate. Let's face it, GST is on everything. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. Oh, look at that. Mother and daughter is forever. That's a pretty little keepsake box. It's a mirrored music box. Sorry, there's two of them stuck together. Okay, that is different. So isn't that pretty? This is cute. Fiber optic color changing tree with music and motion. First ever Thomas Kincaid Holiday Sparkle fiber optic tree. It is actual size of 18 inches tall, requires batteries not included, or use the included AC adapter. Oh, it plugs in. I would probably want to use batteries just because, or maybe AC adapter. I don't know. You know, but it's 1 hour automatic shut off for lights, music, and motion, intended for indoor use only. That is damn cute. That is really pretty, and I wish I could afford that. That is something I would show for Christmas. Yule, sorry. So used to saying Christmas because everybody says, well, what's Yule? Yule is actually what I celebrate. All of Yule. All of the season. So anyway, that's what I'm talking about. Isn't that beautiful? That's a Thomas Kincaid thing. And I know there's people out there that love Thomas Kincaid. So Bradford Exchange. And then this is for your granddaughter. Oh, this is pretty. And this is a nice bracelet that she could add to, I think. Maybe not. Aww. It's another Bradford Exchange thing. Isn't that pretty for your granddaughter? You can personalize it. Nana, Grandma, Grammy. Oh. So yeah. Oh, and here again is the mountain hike uh, sock duo that I got. $7.50 for that. So that's what I've got. Yay. I just wanted to pop on and show you what I got in the mail today. I'm expecting some stuff from Amazon still. It's not coming in until after Christmas. I'm still expecting stuff from Timu. I have no idea when that will come in at all. So, yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you all are having a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year. And I'll see you on Saturday if you want to drop by Crazy Engine Treasures and chat. I'm on every Saturday night, including this coming Saturday night. I will be on at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Yeah. Okay. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye.